Hey, what's up folks? Matt Berry with First Choice, and today we're going to be doing a dry creek bed. All right. What we got going on here today is someone attempted to make a small little drainage with some rocks. I really don't even know what their idea was, but what we're going to do is we're going to take all these little retaining wall blocks, get them going. We're going to make a huge ditch all the way down. His property line ends right past this. So essentially we're just gonna make a really wide ditch to help flush all this water that's getting backed up. So we're gonna get rid of all these blocks. We're gonna start digging, and then we're going to take some of that real thick landscaping fabric, put it down there, pin it down, put some really heavy 3 to 6 inch rocks, hold it down, that way everything won't wash out. Y'all enjoy the show. All right, I'm starting to see a ditch. As you can tell, oh, the sun's in the way. We got almost a bowl, and it goes down to a ditch. Got this big wall right here. It goes down that way. We've got the general slope, and we've got our ditch lined up in the way that where we want everything. So next, we're going to fine tune this this ditch and get it really nice looking, everything looking uniform, and then on to install the landscape fabric. All right, this thing is coming together. As you can see right here, got a nice defined bowl right here at our catch basin. Got a nice sloped ditch the whole way, nice and wide, as you can see me in here, but I mean it's pretty deep. It goes down here and then it comes out to a bigger bowl. We're gonna have this one go boom, 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 and then we're gonna put the fabric and the rock and we'll flush it on down. Get rid of all this excess water. All right, this one is coming together nicely. As you can see, we've got a good thick base of our rock. Got it in a ditch. It's lined. Right now we're just doing that very intricate work, just getting all the edges, making it look good. Yeah, it goes down there. It opens real big. Like I said, the customer's gonna cut into this brick somehow to make this access. But as you can see, got the catch bowl right there. And all that water slide down right through there. And then whoosh into the woods. All right. All right, folks, that's a wrap. Let's see what this finished product looked like. We're hosing her down, getting all the dirt. See that nice, different colors. All those different colors in there. Really nice. We're hosing it all off. That way you can, now you can really distinctly see our bowl down this. Nice drainage ditch. We got the other side. Nice, cleanly raked. Everything nice and neat. That's a first choice job.